Alright, welcome back to Kentucky Vlogs, everybody. We got a boat doing some weird shit right here, and we're getting started today. We're running down to the river, and we're gonna go see how shit's looking down there, and let's get going, boys.
Alright, I'm good, go.
Let me grab a drink. No, actually, I know. Let's just roll. Alright. Hopefully this mic's doing good today. Today is Sunday, and it is 2:17 right now. Let's get going and row down to the river and see what's going on. It's the day before the solar eclipse. Let's get going. Okay, came from nowhere. Okay, came from nowhere. Let's get rolling with it. Now let's step on this fucker. Oh, yeah. I got a running good man, boy. Oh, yeah. That was beautiful. I get too crazy now. I ain't counting down today. Get down a little bit for the curve. No, it's pretty good temperature today. It's just really windy. So it's hard to get going fast today because the wind tries to knock you over when you're going 55 or higher. You can do it for a couple of seconds, but then you gotta slow back down because the wind starts trying to blow you. And nobody wants to flip over in the ditch. There's a sharp turn curve right here, boy. Not much is gonna be going on in there quickly because there's not very many people in town. It was pretty dead in town. There's a big old creek right there. Oh, yeah, see that? The wind is crazy right there at 55. So I gotta slow down. I wanted to because man, you can feel it. I've gotten pretty used to driving this motorcycle, but I still watch what I do just so I don't get too crazy with it because anything can always happen to you when you're riding. This thing's a 2024 on the CB300. So it's not super big, but it's got plenty of what you need when you just start to learn how to drive. After you learn how to drive, you're not really wanting to drive crazy, you just want to go out and have some fun, which is all I care about doing. I just like to go out and have a little bit of fun. So we're going to cut up through here. I don't know why this camera's having problems. I had to figure that out. It did that to us last time. But we only recorded for an hour, and this time I don't know if we recorded that long on this time or not. I don't know if you can only actually do an hour in SD card. And so I might have to buy another SD card. I'm going to try to figure it out. And hopefully we can get this tip recorded without having problems. But we will see. And hopefully they're not going to have a problem with this. But I got to get SD cards too because that's not going to be no good. And I thought we had everything figured out. We got the batteries, we got the mics today, and we got this. I'm getting this cover that's still in the mail, and it's gonna help protect the camera because I dropped it one day in my lap when I was editing the video, and I forgot all about it. one little scratch right in the middle, right there. I don't know if it shows or not. Hopefully it doesn't. I haven't seen a video since they scratched. So hopefully that's good. And it doesn't have a problem with it. So we'll find out. It's Sunday and they all go to church, and I think I heard something about they only do church like once every 3 weeks or something like that. Don't know how true that is. But some Sundays you see them, some Sundays you don't. So a lot of these owners' houses are getting sold, and then I'm not sure why, but a lot of the Amish are putting the houses up for sale, and some is already sold and some still for sale. It's crazy. I'll do a little bit. I'll slow down a little bit and see if I can give a view at the creek. And if you can see that right there. There we go. More Amish with a baby. I got that baby. Boy, I'm trying to get somebody way out here in the country. I ain't ever seen them out here. I did not expect to see a cop right there.
No, I didn't either.
That's fucked up. I've never seen one down here. Alright, I want to see the river now.
There's usually never one there.
Here's all the camping for the river right here. If you take a look right there,
Yeah.
that's all the camping it looks like. It's busy.
Bunch of people up here.
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of people. I guess everyone's using it now. Yeah.
Water's out again, look.
I think he's looking. Doesn't it sound like he's looking for someone?
Yeah, he's going in and out of water.
I'll wait, see what he's doing before we take off now. I don't want him to follow us. I'd rather him leave first unless he doesn't go, and then we'll take.
He's going all the way down there, of course I know.
That changes when cop followed us.
Yeah.
He taking off now. Okay. We'll take off, and as soon as we do, then he'll freaking follow us all the way down the road.
Yeah. As soon as we take off, he'll turn around and come back.
Yeah. As soon as we go, then he'll probably turn around and start following us. Then he'll be ready to go all of a sudden.
I'm gonna get Kit Kats.
Yeah. That shit was not fun. And it's just nothing. You don't have anything to do.
Next time I camp, I'm fucking doing it in a damn camper, not a damn.
I think you'd rather you got a tent or a camper. It's still boring. And it's just not fun.
Yeah.
You don't want to stay looking at them. Usually you stay staring at the cop, then you're like, they think you're guilty of something because you're staring at them. And then they'll pull you over because you're staring. Or they're mad that you're staring at them, so then they want to pull you over or something. Yes, we're gonna go now. Otherwise, we're gonna fucking circle around. Look at the river, boys. This thing is flooded today. It is flooded, flooded. Right there is not supposed to be flooded. It's supposed to be farther out right there. There's supposed to be a boat dock right there, but it is flooded right now with the. And I don't really feel like we've gotten all that much rain though.
No, we haven't.
So I'm not sure why it's flooded like that. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for rolling with us. But next time, keep rolling. Alright, so we lost the microphone out on this ride today. And we're about done anyway, so luckily I had a stack of, but now I don't have two for both of us no more. But we're gonna wrap this video up. It's been a decent ride, and things are rolling with us the next time. Roll on.